This is the Fashionable Citizen Network. Ever pondered over what the exemptions to the 11th Amendment are? Well, today we delve into this intriguing topic. To fully understand the exemptions, we first need a grasp on the 11th Amendment itself. Ratified in 1798, the 11th Amendment restricts the ability of individuals to bring suit against states in federal court. But like numerous other legal principles, it does not come without its exceptions. The first exemption is the concept of abrogation. Congress has the power to abrogate state immunity in certain circumstances. This means they can authorize a state to be sued. For instance, in the case of Fitzpatrick v. Bitzer, the Supreme Court ruled that Congress can revoke a state's sovereign immunity when enforcing provisions of the 14th Amendment. The second exemption is the Ex parte Young doctrine. This doctrine allows federal courts to hear cases to prevent state officials from future violations of federal law. It was in the case of Ex parte Young in 1908 where the Supreme Court ruled that a state official could be sued in their official capacity, thereby bypassing the state's immunity. The third exemption is the bankruptcy proceedings exemption. Under the Bankruptcy Code, a debtor can bring a suit against a state. This was established by the Supreme Court case of Central Virginia Community College v. Katz in 2006. The fourth exemption is the waiver exemption. A state can waive its 11th Amendment immunity and consent to a suit. However, the waiver must be unequivocally expressed and cannot simply be implied. The fifth and final exemption is the Compact Clause exemption. This is when states, with the consent of Congress, enter into an agreement or compact with each other. According to the Supreme Court case of West Virginia v. United States in 1950, states surrender their immunity. Now, what happens when these exemptions are violated? The penalties can be severe, ranging from fines to imprisonment, depending on the nature of the violation. For example, knowingly violating the Ex parte Young doctrine could result in a court order, possibly leading to contempt of court charges if not followed. To sum things up, the 11th Amendment, while providing immunity to states, does have its exemptions. These include abrogation, the Ex parte Young doctrine, bankruptcy proceedings, waiver, and the Compact Clause. Understanding these exemptions provides a clearer vision of the often complex landscape of constitutional law. Remember, these exemptions come with penalties if violated, in the forms of fines or even imprisonment. This knowledge of the 11th Amendment and its exemptions serves as a crucial tool in navigating the intricate world of the American legal system.